Alright guys, we came to the largest GTR meetup in Japan and likely in the world. Let's check these out. What's up guys? Oh my god, my hair. What's up guys? We made it to R's meeting at Fuji Speedway. Of course you had to be here.
What's up?
You had to be here. How's it going, man?
I'm good.
What do you bring? What do you bring?
So we have two cars. We focus on R33 for this time. So customer requested to do the engine foam lines. The body is fully built by Garage Ashita. We did a chassis refresh. So
nice.
We did a full bushing replacement. Used a lot of OEM, brand new OEM and Nismo stuff. Also brand new subframe. And this one is a very unique. This is a Rio 400R, built number 6. This car was unknown. They know this car was existed, but they don't know what kind of color or like specs that the car came with.
How do you find it?
We got it from directly from the previous owner. So previous owner sold the car to us, and we are listing it for sale.
$100.
It was a 2-digit number when we got it. If you those who don't know, there's in a Japanese plate there.
The 300,
300 and 100. This car was 33, which means it was originally registered and never been deregistered.
Right. Guys, if you're in the market for 400R,
we are asking more than $1 million USD.
Right.
This car is finished in a KR Force silver with a no stripes. Actually, the stripes was a optional that you can be installed at the dealer or by yourself.
these are friends of Meiko. Here they are. Although I don't see Yuma, they have awesome cars. I have rarely met people who know about GTRs as much as the guys at Meiko Skyline. It's almost embarrassing how well they know GTRs.
Yeah.
This is Meiko Skyline. Like I was telling you, these guys know about Skylines better than anybody else. This one, guys, is a 4-door GTR. For everybody who says that they don't exist, they do exist. They're just very rare. So, 今 4-door GTR は今何台
396台が生産されてるから419が生産されてるんだって
すごいな。
400ある
これはもう400ある。
レプリカなんだけど
This one appears to be a 400R. I will admit, even talking with Meiko, like this car is done really well. It looks real. It would have actually tricked me. And I'm not an expert, but it would have tricked an expert as well. So there is only one way really to tell. To take a look at the plate right there. As you can see, that's blue. So, 今例えばこれはレプリカだけど、どうやってわかる？でも時代番号なしで。
なしだと使ってる部品がみんな今ね何でも作れちゃってるからあんまわかんないかも。
This 400R though, it's really impressive. If he wouldn't recognize it, I wouldn't trust anybody else pretty much. That's Shiro, and that's Omo. こんばんは。こんにちは。お疲れ。元気？
元気。
今日あれ3号？
今日3号で。でもニスモじゃなくて今日 T スペックで。
この間田村さんが T スペックに変えたって言ってた。
そう。ね。そう同じの車だ。そう。like 同じモデルの。そう。
Yeah.
And speaking of gyros, so we've seen this car a million times. We know it's a GTT. He put freaking everything on it. One thing that I really like that can be really controversial for most people is this. He put the 35 exhausts up. Now, I am a fan of balance. When it comes to exhausts, I prefer having 2 exhausts at least. So one to the left, one to the right, rather than one single exhaust. There is no functionality reason why I like that better. Just I like it better. When I look at it, it looks more balanced. Now you will see that this one has the Z-Tune mark. It is not a Z-Tune. You will know it's not a Z-Tune because of the plate that you see in the engine bay. So you can see that plate right there. Now, what color does it need to be a real Z-Tune? And what time is it now?
10:41.
So 10:41. Between 9 and 10:41, these guys have bought.
We got the rotors over there too. There's a cart of yeah, there's parts. A cart full of parts. The titanium strut bar.
Wait, how much was the titanium strut bar?
A little over 1,000, and then these were like 2,000. The spoiler high rises, the carbon fiber ones.
Wow.
So same company. And then 2-piece rotors. We're already like $5,000 into just 2 aesthetic things.
So one of the best parts of R's meeting every year is the show car area, where a bunch of people bring their GTRs and GTTs and GT somethings to show off. And yeah, it gets really, really cool. RS33 doesn't really get old ever. We have seen it, we have. You know that. Shinichiro-san's, it's still freaking amazing though. I didn't recognize the man, I recognized the car. So we've seen this, we went from Nagoya to Tokyo together with Shinichiro-san and this guy. We took rollers with this car. It's a phenomenal build. With these lights that I've never seen before on any GTR, Junjun style. Speaking of the 4-door GTR, dude. Look, they even have the article here. Special made Skyline. Now this 32 is so cool to see outdoors because you usually see it only indoors. Either the Nissan headquarters, sometimes Fuji Speedway, I mean Fuji Hotel. The top secret booth, and they brought a lot. Dude, look how many. And that's the man himself. We made it to the GTR East Japan meetup and we found somebody that I wasn't expecting. There is a freezer here. But they had just about 135s here. Was shooting all the GTRs here and I saw this E plate, which is the older, more rare version of the Y plate. Check this shit out. Yeah, AMS Dekayo. Holy crap, let's go, baby!
I did all myself, Tashino.
Nice!
Myself. Except for, I haven't dropped the engine yet, so.
That's my GTR.
Man, Cruch always brings some crazy crap. I was gonna show you something awesome. I may have found something awesome. Thank you. Fuck off. So for people complaining that the 35 doesn't have a manual option, it seems to have a manual option. This may very well be the very first one I've seen. What about you?
Barely see it.
This is crazy.
なんか大昔にあれですよね、シーケンシャルをつけてた人いました。ブリッツが確かシーケンシャルつけてたのを。でも肉ですよ。あって最後。だからまあノーマルのように。
A 35 con 3 pedali.
なるほど。こうやってこういう風にやる。
This is so cool. Stai buono. These are the guys from Cruch. Guys, you gotta check them out. Like every freaking time I see them, they have something outrageous, cool, rare. Adios, gozaimashita. All right, we're back here at Yuki Sports. I wanted to give a closer look to the 50. rear lights are the most Italian thing on cars ever. But somehow recall the GTR. That's a real prize too. M-Spec. Which one do you prefer, the M-Spec or the R50? If you can choose only one.
M-Spec.
M-Spec. That's
Prefer the feeling of the
the
driving.
clutch. Yeah, you're right.
Yes.
Yeah, I understand that.